Hi there, Chris Wilson here. So today's video, we're going to have a look at a Revizto to Tekla workflow. So this is a typical workflow for resolving issues which have been raised inside of Revizto. And then we use the switchback function to jump into the Tekla model at the specific area in question. We'll resolve that issue and then we'll push the model back into Revizto and then close the issue out. So I've got the Tekla model loaded in here. What we need to do is just jump into our issue tracker and start having a look at some of the issues that have been raised. So I've just got a few here that I've just created with some clashes or some comments on them. The first thing I would do, so we've picked this issue here, just change your status to in progress if you're starting to look at this issue. So there seems to be someone's put the clash of the precast wall. Let's interrogate it a little bit further with a 3D view. Yes, seems to be some issue there. So what we want to do now is go and resolve that back in the Tekla model. So there's a couple of ways to do that. We can hit the right mouse key and select the switch back to Tekla function there, or we can come up to our issue here and just simply double click. And then what that does, it'll jump in to the Tekla model and then crop the view to match the one that's in Revizto. So it just makes it easier to isolate a specific area and then resolve the problem here. In this case, we need to change the precast wall. So we'd resolve that inside of Tekla. We then want to jump up to our Revizto tab up here, hit the Revizto app, and then we just export back into Revizto here. So let's jump back into the Revizto model, have a look at another one. Okay, let's jump into this issue here. So again, I can just double click on the issue, and this will create the view inside of Tekla, and then I can come and resolve it in here. I can also raise an issue inside of Tekla. So if I find an area that I needs to be resolved, let's have a look at this one here. I can jump into my Revizto tab, choose the app, and then create a new issue here. So what that will do, it will create a snapshot inside of Revizto. So then we can come in here, use our markup tools. Let's put OK, and hit done. And then that's recorded it into the issue tracker here. And we can have a look at it in 3D or 2D like so. Okay, thanks for your time.